Did you know about FEMA? I mean Foreign Exchange Management Act. So in this video we will discuss on it. So without wasting time, let's get started. The Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, or in short FEMA, has been introduced as a replacement for earlier Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FEMA came into act on the first day of June 2000. The main objective of Foreign Exchange Management Act is to consolidate and amend the law relating to foreign exchange with the objective of facilitating external trade and payments and for promoting the orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. It was passed in the winter session of Parliament in 1999, replacing the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act due to foreign exchange reserves very low. It also paved the way for the introduction of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, which came into effect from 1st July 2005. FEMA is applicable to all parts of India. The Act is also applicable to all branches, offices, and agencies outside India owned or controlled by a person who is a resident of India. The FEMA head office, also known as a Enforcement Directorate, is situated in New Delhi and is headed by a director. The directorate is further divided into 5 zonal offices in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Jalandhar, and each office is headed by a deputy director. The Department of Homeland Security is controlling FEMA. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, was created by the United States government to help people and communities deal with natural disasters. FEMA provides full liberty to the resident of India who were resident outside India earlier to hold or transfer or own any foreign security or immovable property which is situated outside country and acquired when he was resident. I hope you got all information related to Foreign Exchange Management Act. So like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Commerce Index. Thank you.